Whoever invented Israel's Iron Dome air defense system was a genius. It operates automatically around the clock in all weather conditions and works wonders in intercepting and destroying short-range rockets and artillery shells. The system uses advanced optical radar and algorithms to predict the trajectory of incoming projectiles, and in less than a second, it determines whether they pose a threat to densely populated areas. If it detects a threat, it launches an interceptor missile that destroys the incoming projectile in midair. For less advanced rockets and mortars, Iron Dome has an intercept success rate of about 75 to 90%. A standard Iron Nest artillery battery usually consists of 3 or 4 mobile launching units, each carrying 20 ready-to-fire interceptor missiles. The cost of each interceptor missile is worth about $50,000, while enemy-launched rockets are much cheaper and more plentiful. The high cost also limits the number of ready-to-launch missiles, making precise targeting and interception critical. With one Iron Dome battery, hence attacks of short-flight, close-range rockets, as well as for cost considerations. Although it provides a sophisticated defense, any system has limitations. As a result, Israel has also developed a multi-layered air defense system to deal with a variety of threats. The Iron Dome air defense system is the innermost layer of Israel's air defense system, and in the middle layer of Israel's air defense system, interceptor systems, such as the Spear of David, play a vital role. This layer is designed to intercept targets such as airplanes, helicopters, and cruise missiles. The outermost layer of the air defense system consists of the Arrow long-range ballistic missile interceptor system, which is used to intercept long-range ballistic missile threats in the upper atmosphere and in space. In addition to the land-based system, Israel deploys the maritime Iron Dome system, which provides 360-degree coverage of the coastline and intercepts missiles launched from the sea. This creates a multi-layered air defense network that responds to a wide range of air threats at different ranges.